If you're servicing a fleet of trucks running the Aussie-owned Icepack sleeper systems, the Ryco RSK189 and RSK237 have you in mind. At the heart of every Icepack unit is a Kubota engine, purpose-built to keep those cabs cool in Australia's hottest conditions. And Ryco offers a genuine alternative with service kits to keep them running. Each Ryco service kit includes the oil, air and fuel filters required to service your Icepack system. All in the one box and designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. The RSK189 is your 300-hour filter service kit tailored for the Icepack 2000, S and IC models. The RSK237 steps up for the ES series with the 1000-hour filter service kit. These kits both cross-reference to Donaldson part numbers. Firstly, the X9 00056 and the X9 00140. So whether you own it, drive it, or you repair it, keep those Icepack systems running cool with Ryco's RSK189 and RSK237 from your nearest distributor.